today we did read your comments, and we know it's Dominican Independence Month. La Independencia Dominicana.
Independencia Dominicana.
Independencia Dominicana. And we heard your comments. We realized we're going to make something Dominican today. Something extremely Dominican. And it's basically a chimichurri sandwich. You'll see what that is, but it's basically a Dominican burger. So the ingredients needed for this recipe are our rolls. You'll see what we do with that. Our onions that are red sliced onions already marinated in, I've got apple vinegar, sliced cabbages, again sliced cabbages, sliced tomatoes, some garlic, some ground beef, important ingredients, adobo and oregano, ketchup, mayonnaise, wax paper. I'll show you what we're using that for later on. And the star of the show,
El pilón.
El pilón. And you'll be seeing how we do that here. So follow along as we get all these ingredients ready to make our Dominican chimichurri. Dominican burger ready, which we call chimichurri. A little history about the chimichurri. Okay, I'm not going to tell you how old I am because I'm really 25 years old.
Okay, keep on talking.
And when I was younger, the only thing I would eat in Santo Domingo was chimichurris. So Mom would bring back chimichurris, all her friends would bring back chimichurris from Dominican Republic for me so I could eat. Ese pollo victorino.
Pollo Victorina, diablo. Oops.
And helados bon. Que buenos son.
Oh my God.
We have probably 10 of these in the house. So I got my bad boy ready. Take oregano, about do 1 tablespoon of oregano. Crush it up, put it inside there, and then put your adobo inside, and then take your bad boy and start mashing everything together for the recipe. So I finished mashing my garlic, oregano, and adobo. I'm going to take a spoonful in, and that's what I'm going to merge and combine into my ground beef. I will also put in some more adobo in here, and this is what I'm going to mix and combine. So I took half the pound of meat. I put it in a ball in between my wax paper that I mentioned earlier. I laid it in there. I put my other off, and then I rolled it. Actually, what I did is, not gonna lie, I put the bread here because I know it's gonna shrink on me. So I put the bread here to measure the size that I want the patty. Then I took my rolling pin, and all I did was just roll it out. And you can see it's thin. This is gonna be maybe 1 or 2 minutes aside. Again, this is not a big, thick burger, it's thin. So because I'm using a griddle pan, I'm gonna take some olive oil with my brush, and I'm going to brush the beef before placing onto the griddle pan. Because if I obviously put the oil in there in the griddle pan, it's gonna go in the crevice and not go where I need it. Now that I've already greased and put the oil on there, I'm gonna attempt to put this on the griddle pan. And again, that's going to be on there for about, I would say, 4 minutes aside. And before I flip, I will be sure to coat this side with the olive oil. So this has been going for about 3 minutes. You can tell it's time to flip because the juice is coming out the top. So I'm going to go ahead and scoop and flip.
I feel like I'm in the Dominican Republic right now.
That one is shrank, as you guys can see. That's why I made it so oversized. I got space to put my next patty on there. And I've already greased it with the oil. And there's my next patty. Ready to come out of the party. I'm going to put them on my plate to rest. So I got a minute left on that one, so I'm going to start putting my breads for toasting on the same griddle. I'm hoping for the color to toast the bread and to get some of that nice, beautiful meat seasoning. So now he's ready to leave the party. He's going to go on the plate for resting. We're going to start with a base of mayonnaise, just a light dusting of mayonnaise. And give it a nice little spread. Again, just a little bottom coat. And my wife's probably cringing because she's going to want me to do a little bit more.
Yeah.
So I'll go ahead and do another light dusting of...
So that side is mine. The other one is yours.
And I'm going to take my beef, and put it on the bottom. Beef goes on the bottom. Cabbage.
Mine go crazy.
And there's a method to the madness, so follow us here. We typically make burgers with lettuce. This is cabbage.
The best.
And
Tomatoes.
tomatoes. Tomatoes. Look at that. Next, some pickled onions in the apple cider vinegar. And don't be cheap again. You went this far, you may as well make it a killer sandwich. And then I'll top it off with
Mayo and ketchup.
mayonnaise.
Como dicen los dominicanos, mayonesa y cachú.
Mayonnaise.
Mayonesa
And
y
then-
cachú.
Mayonesa.
Y ketchup.
Mayonnaise. And ketchup.
You can go crazy on mine. That's the best part.
Okay. And then this is, I'm assuming this is mine.
Yeah, that's
And
yours.
there you go. Cover. And enjoy.
Thank you, baby.
That looks good.
I know it looks good.
I'm going to go ahead and slice.
If you want them to see, I'm gonna do
I'm
a
gonna go ahead and
close up.
slice. And there's your in between.
Okay, can I finish with this? I want to go eat. Okay, vamos a tratar el chimi. We're gonna give it a try. Well, I know it's delicious, baby. There's yours. Oh my goodness! Look.
What happened, Alicia? What does mean? Is it good? Again, chimichurri sandwich. There's mine waiting for me.
Oh, baby.
But it's Mancebo ladies approved. I gotta tell you, this, if you haven't had a chimichurri, you gotta try it. And it's simple ingredients. You guys see it's easy to make. Phenomenal, phenomenal, phenomenal. You can get these in New York, Corona. You can get these in Atlanta. You can get these a lot of places. You can get
Miami,
Miami,
or
you can get a lot of
Orlando.
places, Orlando, a lot of places. But making it at home, killer combination. You see, it's easy to follow. Again, don't forget to like the video if you like the video. Comment down below if there's anything you want us to see, and subscribe because that lets us know we're doing a good job. So that said, a buen tiempo.
Baby, that's good. That was. Baby, can I have half of yours?
Half of mine, you already had yours.
But that's so good.
No.
You on a diet? You on a
All right,
diet?
Michael's Kitchen out.